guys, hey my loves, thank you so much for clicking on this video. The prophetic words are back. A girl is back from the conference. We continue with the content. Okay guys, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you haven't. I only need 4 people for us to get to 2,000 subscribers. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, please. It helps our channel grow. And share this content, share this channel, just good vibes, you know. So I'm back again with another prophetic word, and today's prophetic word says, God says you are an unbelieving and perverse generation. And this is a warning video that we are a perverse generation. Now Bible study reference is Matthew chapter 17 verses 17 to 21. This is the story of a boy who was demon possessed and the disciples couldn't cast the demons out. This is what Jesus was saying. You unbelieving and perverse generation, Jesus replied, how long shall I be with you? How long shall I put up with you? Bring the boy here to me. Jesus rebuked the demon and it came out of the boy, and he was healed at that moment. Then the disciples came to Jesus in private and asked, why couldn't we drive it out? He replied, because you have so little faith. Truly I tell you, if you have a faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you. This prophetic word is about faith. We are a corrupted and perverse generation because we don't move by faith anymore. I feel like we are a generation where we move by sight, we move by logic, and faith has nothing to do with the logic. So that is what today's prophetic word is, to encourage someone to tap into their faith. And guys, faith of the mustard seed is not what Jesus wants for you. Jesus wants you to have more than a faith of a little mustard seed. Like, mustard seed is not the standard. God wants you to have bigger and more faith. I'm talking to people in the generation Z, our generation, how we no longer rely on faith. We no longer wait on God. We are perverse and corrupted of the truth of God in us. Imagine Jesus saying, how long shall I put up with you? It's like God is managing us, or God is tolerating us with our lack of faith. Imagine how bad that is. God desires for us to move mountains. God desires for nothing to be impossible for us, but it seems in this generation everything is overtaking us. The schemes of the enemy, depression, anxiety, worry, suicides, people give up too soon. Our trying seasons that are meant to strengthen us and prepare us for what God has for those who love Him. That's from 1 Corinthians chapter 2 verses 9 to 10. The Spirit of God reveals those things that He wants for us during those trying seasons, like the waiting seasons and the wilderness season. But the problem is we give up too soon. That's the problem of our generation. This is a wake-up call for you in your generation to have faith, to exercise faith, to strengthen your faith, but also know the process of God strengthening your faith is not going to be easy. It will take some fire, some burning, some training. Guys, okay, the solution is for you to have faith in God. So that is all about today's prophetic word. Today I'm definitely encouraging or prophesying faith into someone's life. You know what I'm saying? Have more faith, exercise more faith, don't give up too soon. Like, imagine God saying, like, how long will I put up with you? It's like we've bought God with our small faith. Like, if you're believing God for no matter how big something is, especially when you're going into 2024, like, guys, the year has come to an end. Have more faith. Like, just trigger God with your faith. They say you cannot please God without faith, so faith will attract God to you. So I just have faith. Say, God, I'm believing you for this thing, no matter how big it is. I don't know the hows, the whens, the what, the how, whatever, but you're just trusting God for it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Kindly subscribe guys, subscribe, and yeah, bye.